Welcome home, friend! Have you been looking for an updated home on a beautiful tree-lined street? Then look no further. This stunning home just hit the market in the desirable Valley Ranch community. This well-maintained home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a game room that overlooks the living area and over 2,000 square feet of living space. This 2-story layout features a grand foyer, hardwood floors throughout the main living spaces, and a wood-burning fireplace. You're going to enjoy cooking in the chef's dream kitchen with white cabinets, granite counters, and a large center island. This family-friendly home also boasts the owner suite downstairs with tray ceilings and lots of natural light. An additional bedroom and a full bathroom are also located downstairs for your convenience. During the summer, enjoy walks in the nearby trails or relax in the aquatic center. This location can't be beat as it's close to a park, library, and more. Your kids will thrive at Capel ISD. This home is zoned for Canyon Ranch Elementary School, Capel West Middle School, and Capel High School. It won't last long, so stop by and take a look before it's too late. Call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home, brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.